Hello there. Welcome to your Tuesday evening weather update from the Met Office. A split in our weather over the next 24 hours, rain in the north-northwest, fine and dry further south and southeast with some sunshine. But notice through Wednesday, this trailing weather front continues to bring some rain. It will pep up from time to time as this yellow warning kicks in on Wednesday evening. Through Wednesday into Thursday as well as Friday, this is how we see the scenario. Certainly for western parts of Scotland, but this warning could be updated in the next 24 hours. Generally around 50 to 75 millimetres of rain. Widely though across the mountains we could see more than that, and spot totals could be even higher. And that's going to cause impacts, particularly with travel, surface water issues, deep flood water and volumes of water just flowing down mountainsides. So a lot to contend with. In fact, through Thursday, the risk of gales as well. So some really wet and windy conditions coming through. And eventually we'll see more rain further south as we head through Friday and into the weekend, as this weather front sweeps right across the country through Friday. Those winds will be a feature of the weather, a quieter spell of weather into Friday daytime before more rain arrives. So let's look at that split in our weather through this evening. For the north there, patchy rain moving northwards, some dry skies towards the northeast and fine conditions with some mist and fog patches across England and Wales. The rain will intensify through the night though. Notice for Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, the central belt through the early hours of the morning, reaching the far northwest later. A breezy night, a mild one across the north, further south and east under some clearer skies with those mist and fog patches. Temperatures could dip down to single figures, so a bit of a cool start to the day. At least though the cloud will break, you'll see some brighter weather. Notice for the far northwest of England as well as the Isle of Man, you will be under that cloud, and also some patchy rain and drizzle. But this rain could be heavy at times as we head through the morning across the western side of Scotland towards the north there. More patchy further south and east, some sporadic bursts, but the odd heavy one can't be ruled out. Around lunchtime then, most of the heaviest rain would have left Northern Ireland, and not a bad lunchtime period. The cloud comes and goes, maybe some patchy rain and drizzle. But notice on the upslopes towards the western side of Scotland, that's where we continue to see that persistent rain as the other batch of rain clears towards the far north and east of Scotland. So that rain comes and goes. See some breaks in shelter to the east of the Highlands through the afternoon, even some brighter breaks through the day. And you can see here for the far north of England, the far south of Scotland, that's where you'll see more in the way of cloud, but rain never really amounting to very much. Now here are your temperatures through tomorrow. Feeling warm in the sunshine in shelter towards the south as well as the east. Temperatures holding up 16 or 17 degrees Celsius across Scotland and Northern Ireland. But that wind will be a feature of the weather as we head through the latter part of the week. That rain warning kicks in on Wednesday evening, and notice this stream of cloud and rain extending towards the Atlantic. Some more wet weather on its way for Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, and extending further north and east as we head into the early hours of Thursday morning. So most of Scotland seeing some wet weather as we head through the day. Brighter skies to start the day across England and Wales. More clouds across northern England, but look what happens through Thursday lunchtime and into the afternoon. This mass of rain arrives, so some more heavy weather to arrive across these parts, just really totting up those rainfall totals. So water levels will slowly rise, and certainly where you see some heavier pulses of rain, there will be issues with flood water as we head through the next few days. Now for northeastern parts of Scotland, that's where we'll see fewer or less rain, but certainly you will see some from time to time as we head through the day. And brighter weather yet again across England and Wales, with temperatures coming in 19 or 20 degrees Celsius. But these winds really picking up some strength, and certainly some high waves associated with it. So that's the picture on Thursday. Through Friday, the first batch of rain clears, and then we'll see some quieter weather before more rain arrives from the southwest. So all in all, yes, some wet weather to come, some impactful weather towards the north as well as the west. More warnings will be issued. Stay tuned to our forecasts and we'll keep you updated.